Hello children. Now we are to study in OpenOffice Calc how to create subtotals of the data. So I've got some sample data for you in which I've got certain, according to certain dates, I bought some items from some sellers and these are the quantities. So I can give the quantity here as well. So I need to select this data range and then I can go to data and subtotals. I click on data and subtotals. I can group by, now see, I group by my items and I want to calculate the subtotals for quantity. By grouping of items will be done and the total of quantity will be done, and I have used the sum function, that's why the total will be there. Otherwise we can count, average, maximum, minimum, product, any of the functions you can use. Now here I have got the sum of the keyboard quantity is telling me, then mouse quantity is this much, then pen drive quantity is this much, and this is the grand total. Now again I go to data, subtotals. Now I can, in first group I have got date, item and quantity. I can take up a second group as well. I can take up a second group for subtotaling. I can take the seller and quantity. So I'll have item wise quantity and seller wise quantity in two separate, in the two groups. I can take a third group as well, and there are certain options in which you can show the page break between groups, or you can show whether it is case sensitive or not. I have used all the uppercase. Case sensitive means the lower and uppercase matches are there. Then you can sort in ascending or descending order. So I click on OK. So I selected two groups. The first group, item and quantity, group by item and calculate the quantity subtotals, and second group is quantity is being subtotal for a seller. So let us see. So this is my first seller is giving me these much keyboards, second seller, third seller, and total quantity of keyboards is this much. So keyboard is being distinguished into three sellers, three subtotals. Similarly, mouse, different sellers are giving me these much mouses and total mouse count is this. And similarly, pen drive, three sellers are giving me these much pen drives. Then I get the pen drive sum and the grand total.